everybody. I'm going to be singing and signing the song called Just a Dream by Carrie Underwood. So I hope you like it. Just weeks after the day she turned 18, dressed in white, going to church that night. She had a box of letters in the passenger seat, 6 pairs of shoes, something borrowed, something blue. And when the church door opened up wide, she put veil down, trying to hide her tears. Oh, she couldn't believe it. She heard the trumpet from the military band, and the flower fell out of her hands. And, baby, why do you have to leave me? Why do you have to go? I was covered up forever. Now I'll never know. I can't even breathe. I remember looking from the distance, sitting in a barrel. Everyone is saying he's not coming home now. This be happening to me. It's just a dream. Right there, let's bow our heads and pray. Lord, please let his soul and our hearts heal this hurt. The congregation all stood up and sang the saddest song that she ever heard. Then she had her folded in a flag, and she held all she had left of him. What could it be? Then a girl raised one last shot and fell like bullet in her heart. Baby, why you leave me? Why you have to go? I was carried up forever. Now I'll never know. I can't even breathe. It's like I'm looking from the distance, sitting in a barrel. Everybody saying he's not coming home now. This be happening to me. This is just a dream. Oh, baby, please leave me. Why you have to go? I was counting on forever. Now I'll never know. Oh, no. It's like I'm looking from a distance, sitting in a barrel. Everybody saying he's not coming home now. It be happening to me. This is just a dream. This just a dream. Just a dream. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.